crap say Afrobeat started as Hiplife.
Yeah. But honestly, I can't Nigeria for no one you baba but train zan.
Oh no, Afrobeat started as Hiplife. I'm saying that based on my experience. You know, I've been in this showbiz game for I would say like 20 years and over. You know, and yes, as you to two quite, you know, right with Praye, no, you to two quite called most African countries, and Nigeria was the only country now. Yep, what to say? What you to say? Yen.
Yeah.
You know, there was a time and not Nigeria for what you hip life. You know, so and Osha Afrobeat, yeah, because Nigerians, you know, were pushing, and the background started from hip life. You know, so yeah, me kind of Simon kind of body. Afrobeat actually started as hip life. You know, so but it's all the same music. Yen background here, high life. Yeah, yen background here, Afro.
Yeah.
You know, so it's all the same music, and I'm really proud. Say, you know, I'm really proud how far Ghanaian music and you know African music, you know, has gotten to now. So say recently Grammys are what you know.
Yeah.
As you saw our man Rocky Dawuni.
Yeah, he's there. It was there.
You know,
Yeah.
yeah, Rocky Dawuni was there as always representing Ghana. Just that we need more. We need more people from Ghana. You know, representing us. You know, in the Grammys. And I know, say yeah, we are doing a good job.